Tatak RMN.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ng Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Rise to the summit, drink up. Rise to the summit, fuel up. Rise to the summit, rise up.
The right hydration matters.
To perform.
To win.
To rise above challenges.
Top athletes like EJ Obiena, Bella Belen, and Dwight Ramos choose Summit Natural Drinking Water.
Fuel your peak
With the right hydration.
with the right minerals.
Drink up, fuel up, rise up. Rise to the summit.
Summit Natural Drinking Water.
Summer heat is on. Mag-summit ka muna. The right hydration with the right minerals.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng matibay, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses
Sa
Association.
sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya'y protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
Maingay ang buhay at maraming pagsubok sa daan. Tibay ng loob na gawin ang tama ang pinakikinggan. Kasama ang Tanduay. Higit 170 years ng swabe at buo ang lasa. Tibay ng loob. Tibay Tanduay. Drink responsibly. Tibayan ng loob ngayong tag-init. Tibay Tanduay. Drink responsibly.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit. Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Levanta kita ang daya yun na trabaho. Algún día supervisor ngayon, Nescafe Classic Stick, El Di Mio Kape. Difícil man queda cashier, ay pursige pa siyempre yun.
Esta si Dan alas 6 del aga. Kay Tatomalen Nescafe Classic kada dia. Probado ya. 100% puro y natural.
Buena ese Dan.
Man Nescafe Classic kada dia. Black coffee que bien sabroso. Based on February 2025 product tasting on instant coffee powder by MRI.
Mag-Nescafe Classic araw-araw. 100% puro at natural. Pinakamasarap na black coffee.
Tatak RMN.
Airport na kami. Saan ka na? 10 a.m. na.
Ha? Di ba mamayang gabi pa flight natin?
Ay, malabo.
Tingin ko sa ticket, PM pa flight natin eh.
Para malinaw.
Have your eyes checked for state-of-the-art facilities, expert eye care, affordable eyewear. Go to EO Executive Optical.
EO, love your eyes. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Ang kinis na niya. In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid. White Rose Papaya, wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya, wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya. May glow up with a White Rose Papaya.
Puti sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up by the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Puti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With alpha, beta, gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, some coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
Hi, I'm Rene Salud, ang inyong fashion ambassador to the world. MX3 capsule, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3. Tatak RMN. Maskin donde. Hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.